Okay. May pips be upon you real quick on the pound CAD. All right, the GPB CAD dollar. Look, I told you to watch out for this level, the 38 Fibonacci retracement, when you put the fibs from the beginning of this impulsive move to the end of it. You get your fibs lining up with structure. I already told you that we got a good lineup here at this level. Okay. You see the response that price is giving this level here. It's a good level of resistance turn support now. Okay. Now, what I want you to watch out for is go down to the 30-minute and check for. Well, see, this is a great response. This is a great rejection. All right, but what you want to see? What do I always say? All right, we're gonna look for dojis that reject from the level. I would love to see another one of these, but if this current candle breaks and closes above the previous candle high, that's a pretty good height for me. If it breaks that, I'm going to go ahead and put an order in. All right, but I needed to break that candle high. Now see what it just did. Let's see how this next candle goes. Let's see what the next candle does. If it breaks the high impulsively, I'm gonna go ahead and put an order in. I already gave you uh, the where the trade's going to go, where the TPs was in my last video. Just check out the prior video, and I will see you in the next video. All right, just be careful. Make sure. Look, I'm taking an aggressive entry here, but you want to make sure you get a candle close above those levels. All right, this level here. See these levels here, here. I want to see a close above the same line, the same level. I want to see a close above there, and then I will enter long. You don't have to be first. You just want the meat of the trade. You want the meat of the trade. I can't even remember where I put my TPs, but make sure you protect your stop loss. Give it some structure to hide behind. All right, you can put it behind here or behind here. It'll be even more safe. All right, right now I got 62 pips. I really only want about 50, but I'll take 62 is fine as long as I get at least a 2-to-1, preferably a 3-to-1, a risk to reward. All right, here we go.